welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a tiny haul. So I have these products with me and I want to show you what all I got. So the first product is what I'm wearing right now, these lenses. I got these lenses and I got these from a company called Olens. This is their Russian velvet collection and this is in the shade blue and it's like a really nice poppy blue that I don't actually get in a lot of lenses, especially with my really dark eyes. So for the price, it's really good. Moreover, it's not just the color, it's really comfortable to wear and it looks really... And I got another lens from the same company, like a brown color, and this is their Glory collection and the shade is Glory Brown and this is Russian Velvet in blue. And both of the lenses are actually really they're very comfortable to wear. You don't feel anything in your eyes, honestly. I don't. After that, I got a blush because obviously I'm obsessed with blushes. So I got this FitMe Maybelline FitMe blush and this is in the shade Nude Peach. I can't open this. Why is opening things so difficult? So this is how it looks like. It's a really nice peach color and it's a matte blush. It's a really light, like an apricot colored blush, I'd say, but it's pretty and it's really pretty and it's a matte blush. I think the packaging is also kind of good. Oh my god, I can't... Wow, this is so tough to open, but it's a plastic packaging if anybody cares about that. I mean, I know a lot of people do, and of course, like, the entire thing does matter, but otherwise the product I think is pretty good. I haven't tried it out yet, so I will be making a separate review video of the entire product, so be sure to watch it. After that, I've got another blush palette because I'm guilty, I'm a blush hoarder. So this is the Nyka Get Cheeky Blush Duo. It has two colors. I got it in the shade Brazilian Bombshell. This one is called Raisin and this is called Rose. These are not matte blushes. These have they have a little bit of sheen to them. So there's like a little golden particles in this one and like a little bit of silver particles in this. It's not glittery, but there is a little sheen to it. It's not a matte blush. So this one is Raisin and this one is Rose. So I don't know if you can see it, but there is like a little sheen to the blush. Now these are really pigmented. The blush is really pigmented. So I got a few Korean products, like 3 Korean products. So these two are from Face Shop and this is from Innisfree. So I'll open the Innisfree one first. So I got the Innisfree No Sebum Pact. I got the Pact because I do have a loose powder and I just wanted something that I can go about my face and, you know, have a little puff along with it. Now about the packaging, I didn't realize, you know, initially I used to think that I did not care about packaging, right? But after I saw this, I'm actually in love with it because it's so cute, especially with the color. It's like, I don't know where I got this blue thing. I have no idea. I'm sorry, please excuse that. So with the color, it's like a nice pastel blue. A little mirror inside it, and I'm someone who really doesn't like, you know, throwing away the packaging of the things. I do keep them really like tidy and stuff. So it comes with a little mirror, which is very handy, and then there's like this. Oh my god, I dirtied my puff. Okay, and there's like this tiny puff, which is so cute. Look at this, so cutie. A cute tiny puff, and then there's the Pact. I still haven't used the powder, so I will be making a separate video by, you know, kind of reviewing this and giving my first impressions on this. So be sure to watch it. After that, I've got 2 products from Face Shop. These are from the Club Ryan range. These are, honestly, I got really interested by this product. This is called the Oil Control Balm. So usually when I think of balm, I think of something that is a lot more thicker and, you know, something that really taps in your moisture or adds in moisture or something. This is supposed to control your oil. I mean, this is an oil control pore balm, so I was like, okay, does that work? Honestly, it is mattifying. I'm not gonna deny that. I don't, because I only used it, like I only used it on my hand, so I don't know if this works on my pores. The packaging honestly is interesting. It's like a steel, like a metal jar sort of a thingy, and it opens up like this. Now you have Ryan in front, and then you get a little puff with it. I can't take it out. Oh yes, so you get a little puff with it. You're supposed to apply the product with the puff, and you have the balm inside. Honestly, I'm gonna be really honest here, and the smell, it smells like orange, like lime and orange, like I don't know if you guys know about tang, but like the lemon tang, it smells exactly like that. Now I don't hate the smell, but then Face Shop is a skincare brand, and it having so much fragrance in its product, it could be troublesome to a lot of people. I don't honestly mind fragrance in my products, but this is a really strong fragrance. And the last product today is this little lipstick thing. This is the Club Ryan Velvet Lip Tint, and so cute. This little Ryan here. Okay, I think with the entire Club Ryan range, the smell, the fragrance is pretty strong, and it's the same with this one. It smells like, oh my god, it smells like green apple. I have a green apple sanitizer, and I feel like it smells similar to that, but I'm not sure. Like it smells exactly like either green apple my green apple sanitizer, or it smells very much like a green apple flavored vodka. I don't know, but this got this in the shade Graceful Rose, and it's honestly a beautiful shade. Let me show you guys. I'm so obsessed. So this is the color. It's a beautiful color. It's a beautiful rosy nudie color. I really like this product because personally I'm not a big fan of matte liquid lipsticks because they really tend to dry my lips out, but you know, with this thing on your lip, it doesn't feel drying at all. I honestly think this color would suit every skin tone because it's a really nice rose brown color, like a beautiful nude. And yeah, with this, it doesn't, like I said, it doesn't leave your lip drying. It doesn't feel like, you know, it has soaked up all of the moisture within, you know, that was on your lips. It gives you a very beautiful blurring effect on your lips, which I personally look for in every lipstick because I don't have lip fillers, right? And my lips are natural. They don't have any, they're not perfect. They do have lines and everything, but with this thing, because it's a velvet finish, it does give me a little blurring effect, and I love it. I think out of all of the products, I haven't used, you know, everything, but I think I really love this because of its packaging. Like I've said before, I don't actually care about packaging as much, but with this thing, it's a game changer. I'm like, okay, I'll be really interested in packaging after this, and this is like really cute. I'm not wearing this on my lips today, if you're wondering, but I will be doing a separate makeup tutorial with all of the products so I can review them and, you know, see them in action, how they perform, how they look on my skin. I do have troubled skin, as you guys already know, so with the products, especially with this one, I'm really curious how this performs and how, if it kind of blurs my pore and gives me a very smooth finish. I'm really excited to use this. So please be sure to check that video out as well. If you have any questions regarding anything, you can leave them down in the comment section, or you can DM me. I'll have my Instagram linked below. I'd love to chat with any of you. And yeah, so if you guys enjoy, I hope you guys really enjoyed this haul. And if you guys did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that. Also, while you're at it and subscribing, don't forget to turn on the post notifications. You guys will be notified of every video that I post. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.